Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a quick guide on how to switch the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G off. Now, this is a question that some of you have been asking us, and I'll just go through a quick tutorial on how to switch off the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G with its default setup. So you can do that by long pressing the volume down and power button, and that will give you the power off, restart and emergency mode options. I'll go with the restart in this case. It will take a moment to go through the restart, and that's the default way. So you have to long press the volume button and the power button at the same time to get to the power menu to turn the phone off or restart it. So this is the default, but if you want a more traditional setup, you can do so, and I'll walk you through that here in a moment. Now, as soon as the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G has rebooted, I'll just need to enter my credentials to get in. It's something I recommend you all do, is set up a passphrase, or more importantly, a pattern to keep your phone safe. And then we'll walk you through how to change the settings and allow you to long press the power button to switch your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G off. Okay then, so we're back and I've restarted my phone, entered my credentials. So now I'm going to walk you through how to re-enable the power off with just the power button. So it's pretty simple. Pull down the slide, go into your settings, and in this case we're going to search for side key. So that's the button which Samsung would like you to use for Bixby, but in this case we're going to mess around with the side key settings, which are under Advanced Features, Side Key, and then you'll see that we have a couple of settings. One for double press, which will be quick camera launch by default, but if you press and hold the power button or the side key, you'll now get power off menu, and that's what I want to do, so that's great. So that means that if I just press and hold the power button or the side button, I get the same power settings menu. So just to go through that again, go into settings, search, side key, under advanced features, just tap on side key, and then in this case we have power off menu. So hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, please do give us a like, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. If you'd like to see more how-to videos, but more importantly, more coverage of consumer electronics, gadgets, and anything we think makes the travel experience better, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We've just started our coverage of the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. We'll be doing more, and if you have that notification bell turned on, you'll also be notified of when we publish new videos. So thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.